Introducing the most amazing photorealistic product rendering course in Blender for beginners and intermediates. This course is your key to creating stunning professional quality renders with ease and clarity. When it comes to Blender, high quality product rendering training is almost non-existent. That's why I've used my years of experience in 3D rendering to develop simple step-by-step workflows that anyone can follow, all entirely in Blender. No add-ons, no extra costs, just Blender at its full potential. This course is divided into 3 parts, and first we start with a complete introduction to Blender for absolute beginners. You will master the essential tools like the interface, basic lighting, materials and rendering, setting up the perfect foundation. Rendering is the most in-demand and highest paying skill for 3D artists, which is why this course focuses heavily on mastering it. To get you started immediately, I will provide you with ready-made headphone model so you can skip the modeling phase and dive straight into professional studio rendering. You will learn the full process, lighting, materials, rendering and post-editing, using the same techniques as top brands like Beats and Apple. These skills will enable you to create studio quality renders that can earn you real income. In part 3, we take rendering even further with creative environment setups. You will discover how to use Blender's asset browser to save time and reuse models effortlessly while creating breathtaking environments that brings products to life. From setup to a final edits, every step is designed to help you to master rendering and unlock your full creative potential as a 3D artist. This course isn't just about techniques, it's about transforming how you approach creative projects, whether it's a hobby, building a standout portfolio, or create client work that pays. This course will equip you for success. So if you are interested, check out first link in the description box to enroll now and unlock your full potential with photorealistic product rendering in Blender. Check out first link in the description box. See you in there. Have a nice day. Bye.